welcome back to Auto Reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of pure speed and performance with the 2025 Aprilia RSV4, a bike designed for those who crave adrenaline and precision on two wheels. The Aprilia RSV4 is an iconic name in the superbike world. It's a high-performance motorcycle developed by the Italian manufacturer Aprilia, first introduced in 2008. Over the years, it has evolved into one of the most advanced superbikes, incorporating race-derived technology for superior handling and power. This superbike is most popular in Europe, especially in Italy and the UK, where track racing and high-performance bikes are widely appreciated. However, it's also gaining traction in the US and Asian markets, particularly in Japan and India, where sport bike culture continues to grow. Aprilia has strategically positioned the RSV4 as a competitor to the likes of the Yamaha R1, Kawasaki ZX-10R, and Ducati Panigale. The RSV4 is loved by enthusiasts due to its remarkable performance. It boasts a 1,099 cubic centimeters V4 engine, pushing out an astonishing 217 horsepower. This power plant, combined with Aprilia's advanced aerodynamics and lightweight chassis, delivers an exceptional top speed of around 300 km per hour, making it one of the fastest superbikes available today. Fuel efficiency isn't its strongest suit, as expected from a high-performance machine. On average, the RSV4 returns about 15 to 17 km/L, depending on riding conditions. While it's not the most economical bike in terms of mileage, it makes up for it with its incredible riding experience. Beyond raw power, the RSV4 is packed with cutting-edge technology. It features a fully adjustable Öhlins suspension, Brembo Stylema brakes, and a 6-axis IMU for top-tier electronic rider aids. Aprilia's performance suite includes multiple riding modes, traction control, wheelie control, quick shifter, and launch control, giving riders total command over their machine. The key features of the RSV4 include an aerodynamic winglet integrated design for better downforce, a TFT digital display, and a racing-inspired riding posture. The bike's aggressive front end, LED headlights, and sculpted fuel tank enhance its bold and modern appearance. It is designed not only for speed but also for aerodynamics, ensuring excellent stability at high velocities. The price of the 2025 Aprilia RSV4 varies depending on the variant and location, but it generally falls between $25,000 and $30,000. This puts it in the premium superbike category, competing with some of the biggest names in the industry. The RSV4's selling points lie in its Italian craftsmanship, race-proven engineering, and exhilarating performance that appeals to riders who want both track dominance and road thrill. Aprilia has ensured that the RSV4 remains a top-tier superbike with every new iteration. With its breathtaking power, top-notch handling, and aggressive styling, it continues to be a dream bike for speed lovers and track enthusiasts. If you're looking for a superbike that delivers relentless performance and advanced technology, the Aprilia RSV4 is undoubtedly a worthy contender. Stay tuned for more reviews on Auto Reviews, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates on the world's most exciting motorcycles.